Hey, I'm Kyle McMahon with Tractor Zoom. It's time for tractor giveaway number 2. If you recall, back in 2018, we did a red versus green tractor giveaway to promote our new company, Tractor Zoom. This time, we're giving away a John Deere 4440 to launch our new product, TZ Insights, which are auction results to help you make smarter buying decisions. The engine was overhauled a little over 2,300 hours ago. The transmission only has 2 hours on it, and it's got a fresh coat of paint, all done by Slabtown Tractor Repair in Wisconsin. So, if you want to win this 1980 John Deere 4440, sign up, and after you sign up, there's a special catch at the end. You can gain more points in the drawing if you share with your friends or visit certain web pages within Tractor Zoom. So best of luck and get to sharing, because that's seriously how you'll win.